So how long is the program typically, and how long did it take y'all to finish?
I think they said it was
2 years.
but you were supposed to do like 7 hours a week, and we finished in like 3 months.
2 months. 2 months. We finished in 2 months. I didn't do well in the GED classes because there were so many people in there. They were just all over the place when I went to them classes. But this was all laid out for me.
I got an email from the library. That's how I found out about the program. I decided to sign up because I don't want my kids thinking my mom didn't graduate. I'm trying to better our lives.
I'm taking this girl on a Disney cruise. That's our dream, because she's the best person I know. And she helped me get my high school diploma. Because without you, I probably wouldn't have done it by myself.
To learn more about Excel Adult High School, visit our website at pioneerlibrarysystem.org.